Hey, hello everybody. I've been meaning to make this video earlier, post it earlier, but snow came in earlier than I thought. But this video is basically trying to document my CarID, you know, the website where you buy car parts, CarID experience when buying, you know, a winter tire set, a winter tire wheel and tire package. So as you can see, the Charger has some new wheel and tires. So I have a video that I'll, you know, connect in this whole series of videos how we installed this and all, but I want to make sure I show you what it looks like in some sunny conditions, because it's gonna be dark and gloomy here for the next few months. But these tires are basically Continental Viking Contact 7. They're new to the United States in 2019. They've had this in Europe, but we never had it. And I swear to you, the last 2 days there's been snow. It's really been very handy. And the wheels are XO luxury wheels, and the model is Moscow. So you can see they're XO luxury wheels. I think they look good. I wasn't sure when I bought them how they're gonna look on the Charger, but they definitely look good. So that's what it looks like right now. But I bought this wheel and tire package on CarID, and they were super good. Had a good deal on them. These wheels were on discount. So the total package, I think I paid $1,600 for the total package. And I also did call them before I hit the buy button, and they added some more discounts on it. So it took about 2 weeks to get this wheel and tires, and they're all mounted. They're mounted. They were balanced, and they had TPMS on them, and were packaged really well. And you'll see in this video how they were packaged. So they look really good. I really like them. I wasn't sure how they're gonna look in the car, but as you can see, they look really nice right there. So I want to make sure that you guys feel confident when you go purchase a wheel and tire package and CarID, that they'll definitely look good and you know, meets your needs. So this is the tread pattern of this tire. I hope you can see that. You know, it's very aggressive and very soft compound. I mean, if you see my finger there, press on it. So let's continue this inside because I am getting cold. Let's take a little picture there. There you go. So we're back inside. A lot warmer, but anyways, I wanted to convey with you guys that if you are going to purchase a wheel and tire package, be it you know, your summer setup or your winter setup, this is my first time using CarID for such a you know, complicated purchase, because you're always not sure when they mount the wheels and tires. I always use a local guy. I buy the wheels separately, buy the tires separately, and then have them mounted. I have a local car wheel and tire guy here that's very good. So this is my first time, so I wasn't sure how it's gonna go, but my experience was really good. Like I said, they gave me a good price on the wheel and tire winter package. These are really good wheels by XO Luxury. I think they are forged wheels, and they had a good price on them. Like I said, $1,600 for a set of 4 wheels and tires with TPMS balance and delivered to my house. So it's definitely a good price. I don't know if it's a deal, but to me it's a good price. So it's packaged well, got delivered at home, but you know, you have to sign for it on delivery. So that's one thing you have to make sure you're at home when you deliver. And the packaging was really nice. The wheels had no damage, and the tires look good. So there's also instructions on how to mount it, and they said, you know, put in 2 lug nuts. Oh, lug nuts also included in this package. They put in the lug nuts. You put in 3 lug nuts, spin the wheel, make sure they fit, they go well with your car. And their guarantee is, as long as you don't run the wheels or drive the car with the tires on, you can return it at any time. So make sure when you install it, you test it first, you know, with the tires off the ground, with the wheels off the ground. Spin it a little bit, put it on the ground, and make sure everything, when the suspension is down and the weight of the car is on it, that everything fits. There's no rubbing, there's no, but they guarantee fitment for cars that you what do you call this, you buy the set of wheel and tires from. So that's one thing that's good, they guarantee fitment. Anyways, let me fix my shirt here. So yeah, so we'll continue this video because I have a series of videos showing how we mounted this with the help of my kids and all those things. But I just want to reassure you guys that if you're gonna go CarID, you're gonna have a good experience like I did. I'm very satisfied with the tires, very satisfied with the wheels that I have. And of course, there's a noisy truck that comes in when you're filming a video. But anyways, I wanted to make sure I convey that. Also, I wanted to ask you guys a question, because in my previous snow videos, you know, the last 2 new videos I posted, there was a person there that asked that they really wanted to feel how the car behaves with these winter tires in the snow. And I don't really know how to convey how it feels. I mean, I tried to explain it while I was driving. Obviously, I'm still gonna film some videos with using a GoPro outside of the car and car moving around, so you can see how it handles. But if you can comment below on suggestions on how to shoot that video to convey that feeling on how this car behaves during snow and slick conditions using these tires. If you can, you know, give me some suggestion on how to do that, that would be great, because then I can figure out how to do that. You know, I'm an amateur YouTuber. I'm just, you know, doing a lot of things on the fly, and if you guys can give me some suggestions on how to film to convey what you want to see, then maybe I can improve my my videos. So yeah, comment below, let me know how you want that done. I'll figure out a way to get that done. So enjoy the rest of the video, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It will really help the channel, and like and share, please. So we'll see you soon, and enjoy the rest of the video. Unwrapping the snow tires. Okay.
Hi.
Hello.
Yeah. Yay! Betty.
Continental Viking Contact 7. I think this is it. XO Moscow is the rims. Alrighty. Pwede man sa gear, no?
Dako, pisan siya, sa katudlo. Hindi ko dapat siya.
Sadie! Come here! Hi, Baba! Hi, Baba! Come here, Baba!
Ah, di ba ako gap yan?
Are you a big girl? Are you a big girl?
Hindi mo nakuha sa
Ano?
spender.
Wow, may kaso. Igugan yung 22.
Okay.
Hindi ko nakuha gap yan.